trascinare.
What's going on, my fellow E30 owners and my fellow car enthusiasts and everybody in the world? What it is, what it do, baby? So, and you know, gotta have one or two, deal or the daily. She ugly, but she solid, like I always say. So recently, I acquired some BCs, like right? Front and rear, both, all of them. But the problem I'm having, which the knuckle came off of an 85. This is an 88. This has an ABS sensor, which there's an ABS pump, which I didn't think of it, but the 85 knuckles don't have a speed sensor. It's got the location, but it's not drilled or tapped. But it's a flat tire, but I want you guys to see how fucking low this thing is. Like, this is crazy. Look at that tuck. Like, I ain't never seen this car this low. Like, let me stand up. This camera's about at my chest. Like, this thing is dirt nasty low. Just to give you a real comparison. Well, give you an idea, that's the subframe, right? I'm bringing this jack. This is my low profile jack, racing jack. Damn, I can't even get it all the way under here. Look at that, it's hitting right there. Yeah, you see it, Sony baby. But yeah, this thing is low. Like, fucking low. Yeah, I can't deal with this. I can't do that. But BC's bolted up good. They was already welded on the knuckle. So for the price that I got them for too, compared to what they are brand new, man, look, it is what it is. Who need ABS? So I got all this junk to clean up. But I don't know. I'm going to try to get the motor in soon. But you won't believe. Remember how I said last time in my last video? Focus. I didn't know where this was at. This goes here for the power block distribution. This shit was just laying down there on the floor. Just laying across there. And I had went and got another one. And everything. All the little bolts and pieces and everything. And it's all right here. Like, man, you got to be kidding me. But yeah. This thing is crazy low. Side the flat tire. See, that's the flat tire. But yeah. Let me zoom in a bit. Like, that bitch is low. Yeah, I'm gonna have to raise that up a lot. Because I do not want to bust up an oil pan or scrape up anything. But tie rod ends, control arm bushings, I'm gonna have to replace all that. And yes, the brakes, I think calibers are seized up. So I still got a lot more than I thought. But I still can get the motor in here with the tranny, with the clutch, all that without the slave cylinder, and get this motor to turn over, which will probably be one full day. I just wanted to come put the BCs on. And I got them all set at soft. But the guy I bought them from Austin, he already had it set for his E30. So I am going to have to raise this thing up because that is crazy low. I don't ever think this car's been this low in his life. Because all the old suspension components, like, I want you guys to see this. So let me see here. That's about 2 fingers. Yeah, it's about a good 2 fingers. Like, dang, the paint still got some shine to it. What? That's that 88, baby. 88. But yeah, that's just nuts, man. But I got a pair of DCs for like BCs, I meant to say, and they come with the camber plate, which I'm in love with. I mean, they sat outside for a while, but they say they only got 5 miles on them. Never really, I mean, 5 miles, so that's part of a little road surface. But man, I can't wait to get this thing on the roof so I can feel how these things are. So, but I still got quite a bit of stuff left to do, and still got a busy day. So, like I always say, man, project keeps getting better, which this month alone has been very good for me, very good. So, but the videos are gonna slow down because I'm starting a new job Monday, so it's gonna be during the daytime and stuff like that. No more night job for me, but whatever. By the way, I got me some BCs, baby, and your boy is stoked. You hear me? Stoked. I want you guys to see them one more time. BC gang. But yeah, man, you already know what I'm finna say. The project keeps getting better, man. I'm gonna holla at you, boy.